Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my today's subject. I shot it a long time ago. Well, this was an old narrative film I had in my stock. Well, I'm going to try to make oil painting like from this image, and I have another image which is this line, pencil drawing type image. I used Adobe Photoshop, used the filter called Find Edges, and using two images to make some kind of oil painting like image. Let's create some kind of interesting image. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna change the blend mode of this line image, pencil drawing type, normal to darken, so we can see underneath of the image of this base image. And I'm gonna make duplicate this layer. Then I'm gonna smudge on this image. Well, I'm gonna rename smudge. Okay. Now I'm gonna see this smudge image only now. I'm gonna choose smudge tool, drawing to Abiron. Let's use this. Okay. Now go for, let's see. This is too big brush size. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Shoulder lines. I'm gonna start with this clear lines that we can see. So it's gonna show kind of brush touch. I'm gonna make a mask after later on. So it's gonna show these textures first. Okay, now outlines of her shape, outlines of the image. While we are looking at the pencil drawing type image, I can turn this one down. Density, opacity wise, turn down about 40% or so. Then continue to smudge on this image. Light side to outside. I'm gonna smudge her face too, but I'm gonna show more, clear later on. Make a mask to get the sharp image from the base image. So don't worry about this. It's I just want to get some pencil, drawing brush shape. Touch big. Okay, now go a little more rough. Okay, now go a little more rough. Make big brush size. And this background is carpet we had in our studio. I just hang in the back side of her background. I just hanging the carpet. This is a nice designed Okay, I'm almost done with the background and the whole picture is smudged. Now I'm gonna make outside the frame of the picture. Well, I'm gonna make it bigger than smudge. Well, we are looking at this base image now. That's why this edges exist. So I'm going to turn this one off. And we only see the pencil drawing type image now. So I'm going to continue to smudge on this layer. Okay. Now, make it a little more small. Okay, now what I'm going to do is make mask and invert mask, then reveal with the brush texture. How about Fresco? Let's try this. The white size. Let's go with a little more big. Now, before go all the way, I'm gonna make another mask for this base image. I'm gonna move this base image on top of this smudge image. Then I'm gonna turn this one on. Then make mask and also invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this. I wanna see her cute face. Oops. Oh yeah. So you see this, her face more clear. Maybe the textures a little bit. Also the hand and okay, now what does it look like? Okay, let's see, background color. Okay, just intuition. Well, let's see. Now, what I'm doing is, I just changed the background color on this warm tone, right? This one is complementary color, just opposite side of this. There's two. These are interesting. Okay. Now I'm gonna change the base image and I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add another layer on this. Turn this one down. texture was a little bit rough, so I'm gonna make a smaller texture on this fingers and stuff. Okay, I like this kind of white image, so I want to show this. Maybe use this smudge, the mask, reveal with fresco with white, all clear on this. It's here, right? Well, why don't I move this background color under this so it shows more white maybe? No, it's not. Well, in this case, I'm going to use this check net fresco. I'm going to use that drawing to those oberon to take the white, and I'm gonna paint it on smudge image. Okay, this is oil brush. Okay, and I use the oil. Okay, use the mask again. Reveal. Then smudge. I just want to change the image of outside to be a more oil paint like. So I want to change smudge image. I'm now looking at mask. These are fine. And I don't think I need this line drawing type image. I don't need this. I only need smudge. So I'm gonna make another, I'm gonna do it this one again with not oil, huh? Let's use it. Now see the mask. This mask is pretty interesting too. Now, as I said, I'm going to turn this one around, maybe. No, I don't think I need this. So I'm gonna turn off. Then I'm gonna touch up some smudge image with small smudge oberon to make it more, just a touch more clear. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Yeah, kind of neat outside, isn't it? Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for your support. Well, I hope this works. Today's video is going to help you some kind of idea to get your creative work. Thank you and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.